The children have been keen to do some fire lighting today, so we are out in the paddock and we're going to show you how we do that.
Right, we've prepared the area so it's flat and there's no trip hazards, and we've taken away sort of debris from the ground, and we are ready to start making our fire. So we are collecting the sticks now and sorting them into a size. This is the kindling. We have the largest size. What's the largest size that we have? Thumb sized. And then that one that you're pointing to, Ellie, what size is that?
Pencil.
And then the very tiny one next to you, what is that? Matchstick. Now we're going to create a base for our fire, making a pyramid shape. So we start with our very tiny matchstick sized sticks and create a little pyramid in the middle. Just adding lots and lots of the match sized sticks. Here we have some fish that we felled, and you can see here we've got some King Alfred's cakes. Now this is really good for using for tinder. It will hold a little flame inside, so if you were to set fire to this, it would burn inside for quite some time. So here you can see, really have a look at those layers on the King Alfred's, on the inside of a King Alfred cake. So if you break that in half, you can really see that. So this is a good way of identifying it.
If you want to light a fire, you have to use the safety position.
Can you show us this?
Half kneeling and half squatting.
So one knee down. And why is that a good position?
Because if the fire gets too out of control, you can easily go back and do that.
That's right. If you had both knees down, what would it be? Is it quite a lot trickier, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's see that again. Now we've placed the King Alfred's cake inside a shell here. You don't have to do that, but it just means that we can carefully lift it into the fire. And Callum has a
Flint and steel.
So let's have a look at this. Show us how it's done.
So you use this side like that and put it there, then rub, and the end will get a spark.
Okay. Now because this is inside a shell, I can very carefully transport it. Okay. So you can hear the King Alfred's cakes crackling a bit, which means that they're still a little bit damp. Really, you want to try these out probably for about a week or two in a box, somewhere nice and dry. But we've got 3 or 4 King Alfred cakes in there now, and it's really taking off, this fire. You can collect some larger wood if you want to make a larger fire. As you can see, we've got a pretty good fire going now.